Hi everybody.
We are very excited to announce that we have just reached a milestone of 200 subscribers.
Woo woo!
We want to say to all of our subscribers how grateful we are, and we just want to thank you for supporting this channel. And
Going along on a little adventure that we're just starting, just becoming a little more comfortable in front of the camera. Mike way more than I am.
well, there's no shortage of really great content out there for those folks out there like us. They're RV enthusiasts.
Yeah.
A lot of it's really, really good. Some of it's not so good. We'd like to think that our content is somewhere in the middle of that, and we hope that you, as our subscribers, notice our content getting better as we continue to learn and just kind of figure out what we want to do with this channel.
Well, and just taking y'all along with us, I guess it's getting a little more comfortable being in front of the camera and just being ourselves, which is very hard for me, as y'all have probably noticed from watching at least the first McGee Creek video. So it's been difficult for me to be in front of the camera. And so I think the more we do, the more we're comfortable, the more we share, that kind of thing. But I think that's normal for anybody.
Well,
So-
our greatest hope with this channel is that you, our subscribers and our viewers, continue to find value in our videos and in our content. That's our greatest hope for this channel.
And to interact, get to know y'all more. I like to hear people's stories, where they've been, what they do, that kind of thing. And so I'm looking forward to that aspect too, of maybe even meeting up with y'all at some point, or having a...
That would be cool.
And I'm not too familiar with YouTube.
That would be cool to have a meetup. I've always thought that'd be
Yeah.
awesome to have a meetup someday.
Yeah.
And I just keep getting the word value in my mind, and you know, we just want to tell you how very humbled and honored we are that you found our channel and that you saw enough value in what you saw that you decided to click that subscribe button.
Yes.
Very humbled and
Thank
very
you so
honored.
much.
Thank you so much for subscribing.
Woohoo! Now on to the next 100.
Indeed.
Thank you guys.
Thanks.